Good morning, everyone. Is the paint screen visible? Okay, let's continue. Now, yesterday what we did was हमारा weighted average रह गया था. So what we will do now is we will start with weighted average. Okay. Now please ध्यान दीजिएगा. What is your weighted average? Weighted average क्या है? Okay. ध्यान से देखिए. Suppose I have a class 10th in a school and there are sections. Sections A, section B, let's say section C. Number of students present is suppose 50 students, 40 students and 30 students. Number of students present in ABC section. And a maths test has been conducted. A math test has been conducted and average of section A. Average of section A is, let's assume 80, we have 60 and we have 40. Okay, this is your average marks. Now understand, the principal says find out the class average, that is class 10th average. So what we will do? For that, we need weighted average. So weighted average is equal to, let's consider this as your N1, N2, N3, average 1, average 2, average 3. So weighted average is what? It is N1 A1 plus N2 A2 plus N3 A3 divided by N1 plus N2 plus N3. Sorry, N3. Okay, N1 plus N2 plus N3. Let me write it once again. So what will happen here? N1 A1 is 4000, N2 A2 is 2400, and we have 1200. So total 4000 plus 2000 is 6000, 6000 plus 1 is 7000, 7600. So 7600 divided by number of students, that is 50 plus 40, 90, 90 plus 30 is 120. So 120. A 0 got cancelled by a 0, 12. So 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 6s are 72. Remaining is 440. So 12 3s are 36. And we have again a 4. So decimal 40, 12 3s are 36, and your answer will be 63.33 is your class average, and this is your weighted average, nothing but your weighted average. Is it clear? Let's take a question of weighted average. Okay, and question of weighted average is, in a class there are 10 boys and 20 girls. if the average age of boys is 20 years and the average age of girls is 16 years, find the average age of whole class. So how we are going to do it? What we will do here is, let's say my weighted average or average will be average age of boys 20 years, 10 boys. So 20 into 10 plus 20 girls, 16 years, 20 into 16 plus number of boys and girls, any total is 30. What it will be? 200 plus 320 divided by 30. So a 0 and a 0 will get cancelled. So we have 52 by 3, and that is 17.33. 17.66, sorry. No, 33. Clear? 17 3s are 51, and that's goes. Okay. So I think this is clear. So guys, can we do one thing is, can we start our chapter on time and work? Can we start our chapter on time and work? Write it in the comment box, please. Hello guys. Can we start our chapter on time and work? Okay. Let's continue. Time and work. Now, please. A few things to be considered. Efficiency is always considered as same every day. Efficiency is always considered as same every day. Suppose a man reads 700 pages book in 20 days. It means every day he will read 700 by 20 pages. That is 35 pages. And that too without fail. Is it clear? So understand one thing, and that is, if he is reading 700 pages in 20 days, he will read 35 pages only every day. Now, what will happen? He is not a modern engineer, as you all are. You will read one day before the exams, but no. What he will do is he will read every day. So consider this. Okay. So that's why I wrote here, efficiency is always considered as same every day. He is efficient. He is able to read 35 pages every day. Okay. Now, time and work questions. उसके type क्या है? Type of questions. Type of questions अगर आप देखें तो हमारे सिंपल दो पार्ट में डिवाइड होते हैं, टाइम एंड वर्क, और दूसरा पाइप्स एंड सिस्टम्स, CISTERNS. okay, it is RNS, pipes and systems. Now टाइम एंड वर्क के अंदर भी हमारे क्वेश्चन आ जाएंगे आपको टाइम एंड वर्क से, फिर वर्क एंड वेजेस से, फिर चेन रूल से, एंड उसके बाद आपका जो क्वेश्चन रहेगा वो रहेगा सब्स्टिट्यूशन. नाउ देखने में ये बड़ा डिफिकल्ट टाइप का लगता है, बट इट इज क्वाइट इजी. ओके, देखने में ये बड़ा डिफिकल्ट टाइप का लगता है, बट इट इज क्वाइट इजी. वी विल अंडरस्टैंड इट. नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू. कैन आई? ध्यान से देखिए. I will take a simple question. Suppose we have friends called Abhi, Sandhya, and Kelvin. So we have three friends, Abhi, Sandhya, and Kelvin. So Abhi can do a piece of work or a job in, let's attempt, 10 days. Sandhya can finish the same job in 15 days. And Kelvin can finish it in, let's assume, 20 days. Now, there will be different conditions asked. All three start the work. After 2 days, Abhi leaves the job, and Sandhya and Kelvin complete the job. In how many days will they able to do it? Or it will be Sandhya and Abhi has started the work. After 5 days, Kelvin joins them. So in how many days the work will be completed? There will be different conditions. Those conditions can be modified at any point of time according to the question. So basic how to do it. So there are three methods. I will be teaching you all the three, and we will pick one and move ahead. Okay. So let's start. So I will be starting with a classical method, which is always mentioned in all the books. Please see carefully. So Abhi can do a job in 10 days. Abhi can do a job in 10 days. So can I say efficiency of Abhi will be what? 1 by 10, isn't it? And why I am saying this, because 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10 till 10 days, he will do 1 by 10 job, and what he will get is 10 by 10, that is one job is ready, isn't it? So Abhi's efficiency is 1 by 10. We have a lady Sandhya who can complete it in 15 days. So her efficiency will be 1 by 15. And again, we have Kelvin. Kelvin, he will be doing it in 20 days. That means his efficiency will be 1 by 20. Now, what I will do is I will try to find out what is their combined efficiency, because I have a question. Let's say A plus B plus C, that is Abhi, Sandhya, A and Kelvin, ASK, will do it in how many days? Sorry. So let's say we have 1 by 10, 1 by 15, and we have 1 by 20. So number efficiency, how we can do it? So 10, 15 and 20 LCM. We will take LCM. यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए LCM आपको कैसे लेना है. आप बहुत मेथड से ले सकते हो. मैं आपको 2-3 मेथड बता देता हूं, आसानी से आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. Which is the highest number? The largest number is 20. So 21 is 20, divisible by 10 but not by 15. 22 is 40, divisible by 10 but not by 15. 23 is 60, divisible by 10 also and 15 also. 10 6 is 60, 15 4 is 60, and 23 is 60. So 60 is your LCM. So 10 say how many times? 6 times. So 1 into 6 will give you 6. 15 4 is 4, and 23 is so 3. So their combined efficiency is 13 by 60. Therefore, number of days taken will be number of days taken will be 1 by efficiency. 1 by efficiency, that is 1 by 13 by 60, that is 60 by 13, or that is 13 4 is 52. We have 8 remaining, so 4 8 by 13 days. 4 8 by 13 days. Is it clear? Now, please understand. I will take the next method. Okay, I will take the next method. Now see, and that is your percentage method. That is your percentage method. Again, we have same thing. Abhi can do it in 10 days. So his efficiency 1 by 10, and that is 10%. Sandhya can do it in 15 days. So his efficiency is 1 by 15, and 1 by 15 is how much? So it is 6.66%. And we have a Kelvin, whose efficiency is how many days? So 20 days. So 1 by 20, and that is his efficiency is 5% every day, isn't it? So 10 into 10, 100% job done. 6.66 into 15, 100% job completed. 5 into 20 days, that is 100%, and job completed. So their combined efficiency is how much? So it is 21.66%. 21.66%. So they have to complete 100% of the job. So number of days taken will be number of days taken will be 100% divided by 21.66%. 100% divided by 21.66%. And believe me, it will be same as, so 4 times 21, 4 is 84, and 0.66 into 4 is 86.66. Okay, so remaining will be how much? Remaining will be, if you take a decimal, it will be 4.6 approximately. 4.6, because 140 and 21 6, yes, it will be okay. 4.6 percentage method. Next method is, and which we will be using, is your LCM method. Now please see, suppose we have Abhi in 10 days, we have Sandhya in 15, and we have Kelvin in 20 days. So 10, 15 and 20. The LCM is 60 as we have taken. Now this LCM represents total unit of work. So there is 60 units of work and Abhi can do it in 10 days. So that means his efficiency is 6 unit per day. Isn't it? So let me write it detail here. 6 unit per day. Sandhya can do 4 unit per day, and Kelvin can do 3 unit per day. How we will get 60 by 10, 6, 60 by 15, 4, 60 by 20, 3. So they are going to do it combined together. So 6, 4, 10 and 3, 13 unit per day. 13 unit per day. Number of days taken, total unit of work, divided by unit per day, and that is 60 by 13, 4, 8 by 13 days. Sorry, 4, 8 by 13 days. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Once again, I will take another question and we can do it here. Please see. Suppose A can do it in 10 days. B can do it in 12 days. And C can do it in 15 days. So what we have is 10, 12 and 15. Again, the largest number is 15. LCM will be 15 to the 30, not divisible by 12. 15 3 is a 45, neither divisible by 10 and nor by 12. 15 4 is a 60. Yes, divisible by 10 also and divisible by 12 also. So we have 60. Again, 6 unit per day, 5 unit per day, 4 unit per day. If they do all together, it will be 15 unit per day. Number of days 60 by 15, and that is 4 days. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so let's take a few examples, and then we will be able to do it comfortably. A can do a piece of work in 6 days. B can do the same work in 3 days. Okay, let's say I give you, if A plus B together do it, in how many days they are going to do it. Please attempt it. I'm giving you a minute. Any answers from your side? So, Himansu, you have answered 2 days. Now see, 6, 3. 6 1 is 6, divisible by 3 also. So 6 is my, and 6 divided by 6, 1 unit per day. 6 divided by 3, 2 unit per day. Combined unit is 3 unit per day. So number of days 6 by 3, and that is 2 days. Thank you, everyone. That is Himansu, Mitali, Kelvin. Let's take another question. Yes, Chetan, thank you. I will be just writing the question in short. C takes 6 days to complete half work. D takes 5 days to complete 1/3 of the work. If they both take turns to complete, C works for 4 days only. C works 4 days only, and D completes rest of work. D completes rest of work. So how many days will D take to finish the job? D will take how many days to finish the job? Okay. Now, C, please. Thank you, Chetan, for answering. He is taking 6 days to complete half of the work. So that means 12 days to complete one work, and D is taking 15 days to complete one work, because 1/3, 3 will go here. Okay. So we will take these units for C and D. Now let's pay attention. 12, 15, LCM is your 60, 5 15 4 is 60 and 12 5 is 60. So we have 5 units per day and 4 units per day. Now C is doing only 4 days work. That means he will be completing 5 units into 4, that is 20 units of work. Remaining units will be how much? Remaining unit of work will be 60 minus 20, and that is 40. Who will complete this work? D will complete, because the question is saying D will complete the rest of the work. So how many units he is doing? 4. How many days he is going to take? So D is going to take 10 days. Did you get my point? The question is easy. Did you get my point? Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Write it in the chat box, please. Okay. Just hold on. I will repeat it, so don't worry. Once again, see what the question is saying. C is taking 6 days to complete half of the work. So that means 12 days he will take to complete full work. And D is taking 5 days to complete 1/3 of the work. So 5 3s are 15. He will take 15 days to complete full work. Isn't it? So we will take these units because we always calculate on full units, total days. So it is 60, 5 and 4. Now the question also says कि C is working for 4 days and then leaves job. Works 4 days and leaves job. And D completes the work. D completes work alone. So how many days D is taking? So we have 5 units he is doing per day. So in 4 days, how many units he is going to do? 20 units. Remaining units will be 40. Who is going to take? 60 minus 20 is 40. Who is going to do? D, working alone. So he will take how many days? 10 days. Because understand one thing, Himansu. C does 4 days work only. The question says C works 4 days only. So if C is doing 4 days work only, that means what is the problem? The problem is 5 into 4, he is doing 20 units. Is it okay now? Is it okay now, Himansu? Okay, I will write the full question. Then you people will understand it. Okay. I thought my writing the question will take more time, so I decided to just write the gist of the questions. Okay. So again, I am giving you the question is A can build up a structure in 8 days. Okay, A can build a structure in 8 days. B can break that structure. Okay, B can break that structure in 4 days. B can break. Now break means he is doing negative work. So I will take it as -4. Okay. A has worked for 4 days and B joined the work. Let me write the question for you so that you people will get a feel of the question. It is a big question. A can build a structure in 8 days. And B can break it in 4 days. A has worked for 4 days and then B joins A for 2 days only. B joins A for 2 days only. How many more days will A take to finish the structure? This is your question. Okay. Now see, A can build a structure in 8 days. So I am writing here 8. But B can break it. He is doing negative work. So I have taken negative part here. Okay. Because he is, what he will do? If he works, he will increase the time. So he is doing negative work. So 8 and -4. Again, don't consider as -4, consider as a unit only. Don't consider the sign. 8, 4. So your LCM will be 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1 unit per day he is doing. And 8 divided by -4 is -2 unit per day B is doing. Now we will go to this. A has worked for 4 days. In 4 days, he will do how much? So 4 days, A will work how many units? So 1 into 4, that is 4 unit. Now B joins A for 2 days. So A plus B. In 2 days, A plus B will do how many units? So combined is -1 unit per day. So 2 into -1, that is -2 units. Total unit is how much? Total unit is 2 unit only. Done. 4 units. Out of 4 units, 2 units is destroyed. So remaining units is 6 unit. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. 6 unit. Which will be done by A. So 6 by 1, he will take how many days more? 6 days more to finish the job. Is it clear? Okay, guys. Is it okay? Okay, thank you. for your feedback. Let's clear the screen and we will go to another question. Okay, so here we have 3 candidates. Let's say we have Tarun. Okay, he can complete a software project in 100 days. We have Varun. He can complete a software project in 120 days. And then we have Arun, who can complete working alone in 150 days. Okay. When working together, if they all work together, in how many days they are going to finish the job? Okay. Can you guys attempt it? Please. I'm giving you a minute. Any answers, guys? Thank you. 40 days. See, 100, 120, and 150. The biggest number is 150. So 150, not 300 divisible by 100, but not by this. 450, not divisible by both. 600 divisible by both. So 600 will be your LCM. So it will be 100 by 600, that is 6 units per day. That is 5 units per day, and that is 4 units per day. So 6, 5, and 4. How many units they are doing together? It is 15 units per day. So 600 by 15. 15 4 is just 60, and a 0 will come over here. So how many days they are going to take? 40 days. Is it clear? Now, once again, we will take a question. Okay. And the another question which I am going to take here is a question from chain rule, as we have already mentioned. So let's take a question from chain rule. Now, what is chain rule? Understand. So in chain rule, we use 2 set of people to complete a job. Suppose we have 10 people who can do 10 people who can do in 10 days working 8 hours per day. They complete a job. So another group of, let's say, 20 people who work for 4 days only, and in how many hours per day they will work, and they will complete one job. Okay, so this type of question, and we would have seen questions like 10 monkeys can eat 10 bananas in 10 days. So in one monkey will eat how many bananas in one day? This is a common question which we get. So how to do it? So we will use chain rule, and chain rule says M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 by W. What is M1? M1 is number of people. M1 is number of people. D1 is your days. H1 is hours per day. H1 is hours per day. M2 is again number of people. D2 is do, and H2 is W1 is this and W2 is this. So how we will write? 10 people in 10 days, 8 hours per day, they complete one job. So 20 people in 4 days, how many hours per day they will complete? We don't know. So let's solve it. 10 2 sa, 2 4 sa, 4 4 sa. Cancelled. So H2 is what? They will work 10 hours per day, then only they are going to finish this job. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? Done? Okay. Now, let's take a question. The question is, 6 men take 9 days to complete a work. 9 days to complete a work. And how many men are required to complete the same job in 3 days? How many men are required to complete the same job in 3 days? Okay, please attempt this question, everyone. I am giving you a minute. So let's see. It is again here. It is M1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 by W2. Okay. What will happen? 6 men take 9 days to complete one job. So how many men are required to do it in 3 days? So 3 say we have 3. 6 3s are 18. Did you get my point? Okay. So it is 18 days. Thank you for answering the question, everyone. Now, we will take another question. It is A plus B can take together to do a job in 6 days. B plus C together can do a job in 12 days. And C plus A together can do a job in 8 days. Okay. If A, B, and C they start working together, in how many days they are going to do the job? This is your question. Okay. This is your question. Please attempt it now, everyone. Yes, please. Anyone? Now see, the basic calculation is same. 6, 12, and 8. So I will take 6, 12, and 8. The largest number is my 12. So 12 2s are 24. Yes, divisible by 6 also, divisible by 8 also. So 24 is your total unit of work. 24 divided by 6, 4 unit per day. 24 by 2, 12, that is 2 unit per day and 3 unit per day. Isn't it? But remember, here we have 2 people working in each category. So it will be twice A plus B plus C. Isn't it? So twice A plus B plus C will do how many units? It is 9 units per day. So A plus B plus C will do how many units? Only 4.5 units per day. So number of days taken by A, B, C only will be 24 divided by 4.5. Remove decimal, you will get a 10 on the top. 5 say we have 9, 5 say we have 10, 3 say we have 3, and 3 say we have 8. So it is 16 by 3, that is 5 by 3 days. Is it clear, guys? Okay, everyone, is it clear? This is a peculiar question where you must understand A and B together are completing in 6 days, B and C together are completing in 12 days, and C and A together are completing in 8 days. So when all 3 units they together work, it is 2 times A, 2 times B, 2 times C. I only need ABC. ABC will do it in how many days? Not twice the A. So I will divide the total units by 2. Okay. Now, in the same question, you can find out individually A can do it in how many days, B can do it in how many days, and C can do it in how many days. Now see how. In the same question. Let me. The question says A plus B 6 days, B plus C 12 days, and C plus A 8 days. Isn't it, guys? And I have to find out A will do it in how many days working alone, B will do it in how many days working alone, and C will do it in how many days working alone. Okay. Again, I will take 6, 12, 8. LCM is 24. And what we have is 4 unit per day, 2 unit per day, and 3 unit per day. Now understand, this is your A plus B. This is your B plus C. And this is your C plus A. So here we have twice A plus B plus C, and that is 9 unit per day. Or can I say, if I cancel it out, it is 4.5 unit per day, ABC. Now understand, A plus B plus C is doing 4.5 unit. If I subtract A and B is doing how many units? A and B is doing how many units? 4 units. That means if we minus, C will do how many units? 0.5 unit per day. Isn't it? 0.5 unit per day. So C will complete in how many days? 25 by 0.5, and that is 24 by 48 days. C will complete it in 48 days. Let's go for B. So A plus B plus C, again it is doing 4.5 units. B can be found out by A plus C subtracting. So C plus A is doing how many units? 3 units. So if I subtract A and C got cancelled. B will do how many units? 1.5 units every day. So B will do in how many days? So it is 24 divided by 1.5. Let's say I clear it out. This is your 3, this is your 2, this is your 8. So B will complete it in 16 days. If I want to find out how many days A will complete, so A plus B plus C completed 4.5 units. B plus C, it completed how many units? So just see, B plus C completed 2 units per day. 2 units per day. So if I subtract, I will get A is completing 2.5 units per day. So 24 by 2.5 decimal, let's clear it out. 5 say 5 and I have 2, 24 2s are 48 by 5 and that is 9.6 days. So we got A completes working alone in 9.6 days, B completes working alone in 16 days, C completes working alone in 48 days. I hope I am clear in it. If you understood how the questions can be asked, please give it a thumbs up so that I can understand. Is it clear, guys? Okay. Thank you, Chetan. A and B can finish a work in 20 days. The question is, A and B can finish a work in 20 days. Thank you. Once again, B and C can do a job in 30 days and C and A can do a job in 40 days. Now the question is saying A can do it in how many days? Please attempt this question. Everyone, please attempt this question. I'm giving you time for it. Please attempt it. Yes, please. Anyone? ध्यान से देखिए 20, 30, 40 एलसीएम क्या हो जाएगा 120. देखिए 43 जा 34 जा and 26 जा. So this is 6 units per day, this is 4 units per day and this is 3 units per day. यहाँ पे आपका क्या हो जाएगा तो आप देखें twice A plus B plus C and that is 30. So This is 6.5. Now I have to find A, so I will subtract B plus C, that is 4. So 120 divided by 6.5 minus 4 is 2.5. डेसिमल हटाइए, यहाँ पे 10, 5 से 5 times, 5 से 2 times, 5 से 24 times, 24 2s are 48 days. A will take alone 48 days to complete. Yes, thank you Chetan, thank you Sandhya. Clear? It is 48 days. Okay. Thank you. Now see the last question of time and work, then we will continue with last type of time and work, and then we will continue with our pipes and systems. Okay. Now let's consider the question first. It says, in a management company, six boys and 8 girls can do a piece of work in 10 days, while 26 boys and 48 girls can do it in 2 days. So the question says, find in how many days 15 boys and 20 girls will complete the same type of job. Okay. Now this is a question of substitution. Understand? क्या है यहाँ पे कह रहा है, क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि 6 बॉयज और 8 गर्ल्स किसी जॉब को 10 दिन में कर सकते हैं। फिर 26 बॉयज अगर हों और 48 गर्ल्स हों, इसी जॉब को 2 दिन में कर सकते हैं। सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे हो जाती है इफिशियंसी की। हम इफिशियंसी कैसे निकालें? तो हम क्या करते हैं, नंबर ऑफ डेज और नंबर ऑफ पीपल क्या होते हैं, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होते हैं, इजंट इट? हम इसी चीज का फायदा उठाएंगे। फायदा कैसे उठाएंगे? तो आप देखें, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होने का मतलब है एक तरफ अगर आप डिवाइड करते हो तो दूसरी तरफ आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा। मैं इन सबको 1 डे कर रहा हूं, तो आपको इधर 10 से डिवाइड करना है तो इधर 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, यानी कि 60 बॉयज और 80 गर्ल्स एक दिन में जॉब कंप्लीट कर लेंगे। सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट जो हमारा है उसमें भी हम 2 से इधर डिवाइड करेंगे, इधर हमारा 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, यानी कि 52 बॉयज और 48 2 जा 96 गर्ल्स कैन कंप्लीट इट इन 1 डे। एक दिन में काम खत्म करने का मतलब है कि इस ग्रुप का और इस ग्रुप का एफिशिएंसी क्या है, सेम है। इस ग्रुप को और इस ग्रुप को हम क्या करेंगे, इक्वल करेंगे। So what we will do here is we will equal it. 60 boys plus 80 girls is equivalent to 52 boys plus 96 girls. बॉयज इधर भेज दो, ये गर्ल्स इधर भेज दो। यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, 8 boys is equal to 16 girls। और सिंपली पुट इसको हम अगर आगे बढ़ाते हैं तो 1 boy is equivalent to 2 girls। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि एक बॉय जितने यूनिट ऑफ काम करेगा उतना ही यूनिट ऑफ काम जो है सो 2 गर्ल्स मिलके करेंगी। Did you get my point? अब यहाँ पे समझिए, ये हमारा आया एक रिलेशन बिटवीन इफिशियंसी ऑफ अ बॉय एंड इफिशियंसी ऑफ ए गर्ल। ओके, बॉय और गर्ल का एक इफिशियंसी रिलेशनशिप आया। अब हम अपना सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे। नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट हम कैसे करेंगे? सबसे पहले आप इस पे क्वेश्चन पे एक बार फिर से गौर करें। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन आपको क्या कह रहा है? क्वेश्चन कह रहा है फाइंड इन हाउ मेनी डेज 15 boys and 20 girls will complete the same type of job। 15 boys and 20 girls। So 15 boys and 20 girls कितने दिन में? सबसे पहले हम सारे बॉयज को क्या करते हैं, गर्ल्स में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं। इफिशियंसी यहाँ 15 बॉयज का मतलब कितना हो जाएगा, 30 गर्ल्स प्लस 20 गर्ल्स। यानी क्वेश्चन आपका मैंने कन्वर्ट कर दिया कि 50 गर्ल्स कितने दिनों में काम करेंगी। इसके लिए आप सबसे पहले यहाँ पे ये इसका यूज करो, ये वाला भी यूज कर लो। आप इसको आप सब गर्ल्स में बदल दो। ध्यान से देखो, 60 बॉयज एंड 80 गर्ल्स। 60 बॉयज का मतलब कितना, 120 गर्ल्स। यहाँ से आया ये डायरेक्ट 120 गर्ल प्लस 80 गर्ल एक दिन में, यानी कि 200 गर्ल्स एक दिन में। तो 50 गर्ल्स कितने दिनों में? तो हमें मालूम होता है, इधर आप 4 से डिवाइड किए हो तो आपको इधर क्या करना होगा, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई। यानी आपका ये दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन सेम आना चाहिए। सो 200 into 1 should be equal to 50 into question mark। 0 से यहाँ 0, 5 से यहाँ 4, यानी कि ये 15 बॉयज एंड 20 गर्ल्स जो इक्विवेलेंट है 50 गर्ल्स के कितने दिनों में कर लेंगे, 4 days में। And this is your answer। Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Everyone, please chat box में मुझे मैसेज दीजिए। ओके, नाउ मैं एक क्वेश्चन देता हूं, आप उसको अटेम्प्ट करके दिखाएं मुझे। ओके, प्लीज ध्यान दीजिएगा। 2 men and 12 women can finish a job in 4 days. 4 men and 6 women can do the same job in 5 days. And the question says, 1 man and 1 woman will take how many days? This is your question. Please attempt it. Everyone, please attempt it. Yes, please. Anyone? Any answers from your side? एक बार देखिएगा प्लीज, सभी लोग ध्यान दीजिए। मैं क्या करूंगा, सबसे पहले इसमें 1 days लाऊंगा, तो 2 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा मुझे। ओके, सो 8 men and 12 fours of 48 women can do it in 1 day. मैं इसी को 20 men plus 30 women can do it in 1 day. So I will equate these two. So 8 men plus 48 women is equivalent to 20 men plus 30 women. Women को इधर भेजो, men को उधर भेजो। 18 women is equal to 20 minus 8, and that is 12 men. 6 से दोनों तरफ 2 and 3. So 2 men is equal to 3 women. Okay, इसको हम और कर सकते हैं, 1 man is equal to 1.5 women, isn't it? अब यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखिए, पहले हम क्वेश्चन इक्वेट करेंगे, उसके बाद फिर ये हमारा सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे। 2 मेन की वैल्यू कितनी है? 3 वुमेन। सो व्हाट आई कैन राइट हियर इज, लेट मी चेंज द कलर ऑफ द पेन। 3 women plus 12 women can do it in 4 days, or 15 women can do it in 4 days. यहाँ पे इसको हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे, 1 man is equal to 1.5 women plus 1 woman can do it in how many days, or 2.5 women can do it in how many days. So let's write it here, 2.5 women can do it in how many days. अब हम क्या करेंगे? What we will do here is multiply. So 15 into 4 is equal to 2.5 into question mark. So let's go. Question mark को इधर छोड़ के बाकी सबको उधर ले जाओ. So 15 into 4 into 10 divided by 25. 5 say 3 times. 5 say 5 times. 5 say 2 times. So 1 man and 1 woman will do it in how many days? 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So 1 man and 1 woman can do it in 24 days. Is it clear, guys? Is it okay, people? If you understood this, please give a thumbs up so that I can understand. Give a thumbs up so that I can understand, guys, that you got this. Thank you. Now we will continue with pipes and cisterns. Our next part. Okay. Everything is same. Only difference is concept of negative work. We have already done negative work, लेकिन let me once again explain it to you. ध्यान से देखिए. Suppose there is a husband who got a contract and he can finish working alone in 10 days. There is again his wife who can complete it in 15 days. And they have a mischievous son. Okay. And what he does when they two go to the work, वो भी साथ में जाता है और वो छोटा बच्चा अपनी मेहनत करके उस छोटे से काम को तोड़ना शुरू करता है. तो तोड़ना शुरू करता है, मैं ये समझता हूँ कि यार ये 50 दिनों में अगर भिड़ जाए पूरे लगन से, तो 50 दिनों में उस पूरे काम को तोड़ डालेगा. जो ये 10 दिन में करते हैं, ये 20 दिन में करती है. तो लेट्स से तीनों काम कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि हस्बैंड वाइफ किसी के पास छोड़ नहीं सकते बच्चे को, तो वो साथ में ले जाते हैं वर्क पे, एंड तीनों मिलके काम करते हैं. तो कितने दिनों में वो काम कंप्लीट होगा? सो 10, 20 एंड 50 एलसीएम विल बी 100. सबसे बड़ा नंबर 50, 50 गुने ले 200, 20 गुने ले 500, 10 गुने ले 10, 100. ये कितना यूनिट करेगा? 10 यूनिट पर डे. उसकी वाइफ 5 यूनिट पर डे, और ये चाइल्ड ये -2 यूनिट, यानी हर दिन ये 2 यूनिट ऑफ वर्क तोड़ेगा। अब ये दोनों मिलके 15 यूनिट कर सकते हैं, लेकिन दो ये भी साथ में जा रहा है उनके, तो ये भी जो है सो 2 यूनिट बर्बाद कर डालता है। तो नंबर ऑफ जो डेज लगेगा वो क्या लगेगा, 100 बाई, अगर कंबाइंड तीनों काम करें तो 10 5 15 -2 13, एंड दैट गिव्स यू 13 7 91, 9 7 9 बाई 13 डेज, 7 9 बाई 13 डेज। इज इट क्लियर? अब इसी चीज को आप पाइप्स एंड सिस्टर्न्स के कॉन्सेप्ट में समझिए। मान लीजिए टैप ए है, कैन फिल इट इन 4 आवर्स, एक सिस्टर्न एक टैंक को भर सकता है 4 आवर्स में। टैप बी है, ये 5 आवर्स में भर सकता है। और टैप सी है जो एक आउटफ्लो पाइप है, ये आउटफ्लो है, या फिर इसको आप इनफ्लो या इनलेट बोलिए। ये लोग टैंक में पानी डालेंगे, ये जो है सब टैंक से बाहर निकालेगा। ये 6 आवर्स में क्या कर सकता है, एम्प्टी कर सकता है। 4 5 6, सबसे बड़ा नंबर 6। सो यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं हम, तो 60 आएगा एलसीएम। ये 15 है ना, यूनिट पर आवर है, ये 12 यूनिट पर आवर है, और ये -10 यूनिट पर आवर। तीनों अगर मिलके काम करते हैं तो कितना हो जाता है, 15 और 12 27 -10 17 यूनिट पर आवर। Number of hours to fill the tap will be 60 by 17, 17 3 is 51, 9 by 17 hours. Did you get my point, everyone? Is it okay? इसी तरह के क्वेश्चन को हम लोग देख लेते हैं अभी पाइप्स एंड सिस्टम्स में। थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिएगा प्लीज। लेट्स अटेम्प्ट। ध्यान से देखिए। पाइप A can fill a tank in 20 minutes. Pipe B can fill it in 30 minutes. And C can empty it in 60 minutes. ठीक है। अब यहां पे देखिए, क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि A plus B is opened for 6 minutes initially, and then C is opened, and then C is opened. So time to fill the tank क्या होगा? Please attempt it. Please attempt it. Can you attempt it and give me the answer? Let us see. देख लेते हैं. Okay. Again, 20 30 minus 60. LCM हो जाएगा 60. 3 unit per minute. 2 unit per minute. Minus 1 unit per minute. A और B 6 मिनट इनिशियली खुलता है, उसके बाद C खुलता है. तो सबसे पहले आप देखें A plus B 5 यूनिट पर मिनट, 6 मिनट में ये लोग 30 यूनिट्स भर डालेंगे. बचेगा कितना? 30 यूनिट्स है ना. 60 minus 30 यूनिट्स बचेगा. अब ये तीनों मिलके करेंगे, यानी कि तीनों मिलके, यानी 3 + 2 5 - 1 4. Isn't it? तो ये 4 कितना लगेगा? ये लगेगा 7.5 मिनट्स. टाइम टू फिल द टैंक है ना. टोटल टाइम टू फिल द टैंक कितना हो गया? तो 6 मिनट्स यहाँ A और B और 7.5 मिनट्स तीनों. तो 6 + 7.5 and that is 13.5 minutes. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Is it clear, guys? चलिए वापस से देखिए. A can fill it in 20 minutes. Okay. B can fill it in 10 minutes. And C can empty it in 15 minutes. तो A, B, C तीनों पाइप करें टुगेदर तो कितना मिनट्स लगेगा ये बताना है. प्लीज अटेम्प्ट दिस क्वेश्चन एवरीवन. प्लीज अटेम्प्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. अटेम्प्ट कीजिए सभी लोग. and give me the answer. Attempt करें please. मैं 40 पे जा सकता हूँ. Yes, please. Anyone? Somesh, Chetan, Kelvin. 12 minutes. Okay. Let's see. 2010 minus 50. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 23 is a 60. 3 unit per minute. Isn't it? यहाँ पे 6 unit per minute. और यहाँ पे minus 4 unit per minute. तीनों साथ में करते हैं. 6 3 9 minus 5 minus 4 is 5 unit per minute. टाइम कितना लगेगा? 60 by 5 and that is 12 minutes. Thank you. Thank you, Chetan. Thank you, Monica. Is it clear, guys? Okay. इसमें एक peculiar question देखिएगा, please. एक peculiar question, and that is जहाँ पे rate of flow से बात करता है. Okay. ध्यान से देखिएगा. Let's say pipe A. Question लिखता हूँ. Pipe A can fill a tank thrice as fast as B. If A can fill it in 20 minutes, how long does it take to fill the tank if both pipes are open? Attempt कीजिए please. Yes, please. Anyone? ध्यान से देखिए. A can fill 3 times as fast as B. So A अगर 20 मिनट लेता है तो B is 3 times slower. तो B कितना लेगा? 60 minutes. So 20, 60, 60. This is 3 and this is 1. So what will be? 60 by 4. 15 minutes. Is it clear, everyone? चलिए आगे देखिए. Tap A can fill a tank in 6 hours. After the tank is half filled, three more similar taps are opened. Total time taken to fill the tank completely. Okay. Now, can you attempt this question and give me the answer? Thank you, Mitali, for answering. Thank you, Chetan, and thank you, Monica. Please attempt this question. Tap A can fill a tank in 6 hours. After the tank is half filled, 3 more similar taps are opened. Total time taken to fill the tank completely is. Attempt करें सभी लोग. चलिए ध्यान से देखिएगा. टैप ए 6 आवर्स में है ना फुल कर सकता है. तो ऑलरेडी टैप ए ने 3 आवर्स काम किया है और हाफ जो है सो भर चुका है. अब कह रहा है कि टैप ए के जैसे है ना, टैप ए के जैसे 4 पाइप्स, 3 पाइप्स और जोड़ दिए गए है ना. तो यहाँ पे अभी ए जो है, ए वर्किंग अलोन कितना लेगा? 3 आवर्स. लेकिन अगर यहाँ पे 3 और ए के जैसे आ गए, यानी मैं कह सकता हूँ कि 4A ये कितना लेगा? तो आप यहाँ पे 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपको इधर भी 4 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। दैट मीन्स ये कितना लेंगे, तो 3/4 ऑफ एन आवर। 3/4 ऑफ एन आवर मीन्स आप कह सकते हो 45 मिनट्स। तो टोटल टाइम कितना हुआ, आधा हुआ भरने में 3 घंटे और अगला आधा भरने में 45 मिनट्स। So it will be 3 hours 45 minutes. This is just a logical question. Clear? मान लो आप 1 घंटे में, है ना, लेट्स अज्यूम 1 घंटे में आप, है ना, 3 पिज्जा खा सकते हो। द क्वेश्चन इज सच, आपके 3 दोस्त आज धमकते हैं और वो भी जो है सो बिल्कुल आपके जैसे ही खाने वाले बंदे हैं, तो अब 4 मिल के 3 पिज्जा कितने में खा लोगे यार? इट विल बी 3/4 आवर्स ना। डिड यू गेट माय पॉइंट? क्योंकि 2 बंदे लोगे तो 3 पिज्जा खाने में 1.5 घंटे, 2 और बंदे आ गए तो 1.5 घंटे का हाफ, यानी कि 45 मिनट्स। क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर? चेतन, केल्विन, मोनिका, please give it a thumbs up if you have a clarity of thought. Yes guys. Okay, let's take another question. A pump can fill a tank with water in 2 hours. Because of a leak, it took 7/3 hours to fill the tank. Leakage will drain out the tank in how many hours? This is your question. Okay, try to attempt this question please. Try to attempt this question please. Anyone? Please attempt it. Yes, please. Anyone? Anyone? Give me answer. This will be the last question, please. Anyone? If you have an answer, please write it in the chat box. ध्यान से देखिए, 1 hour is a bit out of context. ध्यान से देखिए, please. I will give you options. Okay. Options लो. 8 hours, 14 hours, 7 hours, 13 by 3 hours. This is your answer. This is your option. Okay. Attempt it out. Okay. ध्यान से देखिए. 2 hours means how much? 2 hours means 120 minutes. Because of a leakage, it took 7 by 3 hours. Now, 7 by 3 hours means 2 1 by 3 of an hour. यानी 2 घंटे 20 मिनट. यानी कह सकते हैं 140 minutes. Understand? यहाँ पे पंप जो है 120, लेकिन पंप प्लस लीकेज जो है वो 140 ले रहा है. क्लियर है ना? अब इसको मैं 2 तरीके से सॉल्व करके आपको दिखाता हूँ. सबसे पहले 120 140 एलसीएम क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे 840, 7 और ये 6, यानी पंप जो है सो 7 यूनिट ऑफ वाटर पर मिनट डाल रहा है, लेकिन पंप और लीकेज जब काम करता है तो सिर्फ 6 यूनिट पर मिनट ही भर रहा है। दैट मीन्स लीकेज 1 यूनिट पर मिनट निकाल रहा है। तो 840 लीटर्स यानी 840 यूनिट्स को क्लियर करने में उसको कितना टाइम लगेगा? 840 by 1, that is 840 मिनट्स। इसको आपको कन्वर्ट करना है कितने में? आवर्स में। आवर्स में कन्वर्ट कीजिएगा। आप कैसे कीजिएगा? 840 by 60, 0, 6 से 6 एकम 6, 2 24, 6 चौके 24, 14 आवर्स। क्लियर? अब इसी चीज को आप दूसरे मेथड से देखो, सेकंड मेथड से। आपको सेकंड मेथड थोड़ा ज्यादा आसान लगेगा। ध्यान से देखिए। मान लीजिए कि पंप 2 घंटे में भर सकता है, ठीक है, और लीकेज क्या कर सकता है? x आवर्स में एम्प्टी कर सकता है। तो 2 और x का एलसीएम 2x होगा। यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 2x by 2, you will get your x, and 2x by minus x is minus 2. तो 2x by x minus 2 will be equal to how much? ऊपर दे रहा है आपका कितना? 7 by 3 of an hour. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई। क्लियर? यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? 6x, इधर क्या हो जाएगा? 7x minus 14। इसको इधर भेजिए, इसको इधर भेजिए। x is equal to 14। x क्या था आपका? एम्प्टी करने का टाइम। तो आपको 14 आवर्स में ये एम्प्टी हो जाएगा। इज इट क्लियर गाइस? So can I say we can end our session here? Thank you for attending this workshop, everyone. If you have really gained something, then my efforts of training you for 3 days, it is achieved. And thank you for being with me for 3 days. God bless you all. Can I end the stream? So take care, everyone. God bless you.